The 2011 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, cruise control, FWD, power windows, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, daytime running lights, power mirrors, heads-up display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.